The underwear will regain its snowy white color without the use of chlorine bleach. Pour hot water, very hot, into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to it. This is a commonly known product for its whitening properties. If you don't have baking soda, you can use 3 or 4 packages of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture with soda in it, so it has a weaker effect than soda alone. Also, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. Salt whitens and removes stains. Our grandmothers already used it for this purpose when doing laundry. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, preferably designed for white clothes. Mix everything with a spoon or spatula. Immerse the cotton underwear, soak it thoroughly, and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Take it out of the bowl and put it in the washing machine as usual with other white items and wash it. Delicate lingerie, lace panties, and bras will look like new. You can also whiten them with another home method. In a bowl of warm water, not boiling, add baking soda and laundry detergent for white clothes in the same proportion. It can be 2 tablespoons for a smaller amount of items. Dissolve them well and soak the lingerie. Leave it to soak for about 20 minutes and wash it as usual in the washing machine on the Delicate Fabrics program. After washing, you will notice the difference. The lingerie will be much whiter. How to wash curtains to make them white again? After a few weeks, curtains turn gray and lose their snowy white color, especially curtains hanging in the kitchen and dining room. Not only dust and dirt settle on them, but also grease. If you don't have time to soak them before washing in the machine, prepare a sock. Put 2 tablespoons of salt in it, add a little dishwashing liquid. But not too much, so that there is not too much foam. Throw this salt and dishwashing liquid bundle into the washing machine with the curtains. Add a laundry capsule as usual, and pour a little vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. This will refresh the whiteness and help remove strong stains. Curtains will be like new after washing. However, you will achieve better results if you soak the curtains before washing. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into a bowl of warm water. For a better effect, adding at least 1 tablespoon of baking powder is sufficient. Instead of baking powder, you can use baking soda, depending on what you have in your kitchen cabinet. Soak the curtains in this water, and then wash them as usual in the washing machine. You'll get rid of dirt, and the curtains will be snowy white again after just 1 wash.
Add it to your wash, and even the most delicate shoes will come out bright white like new. You just need to wash them differently than usual. You don't have to scrub sneakers or other sports shoes by hand, which is tiring and time-consuming. You can wash even a single pair in the machine, and it will handle them well, even without a special shoe cycle. Choose a Delicate Fabric program, set a low temperature of about 100 Fahrenheit, and use a low spin speed. To keep the shoes from moving around the drum and rubbing against each other, add a thick terry towel to the wash. You can even use 2 towels. They protect the shoes during washing and spinning and help them clean more effectively. Your shoes will come out looking bright, fresh, and perfectly clean. Throw a smelly and stained towel into the pan. This way you can save all your kitchen towels. Let me show you how this trick works. Take the towel you want to bring back to life and put it in the sink. Squeeze about 2 inches of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry helpers and works great at removing stains and discoloration. Next, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt on the towel with the toothpaste. Finally, pour some dish soap over it. Now soak the towel in hot but not boiling water. The entire towel should be completely wet so the ingredients can work better. Use chopsticks or tongs to stir the towel so it absorbs more water. After 1 hour, take it out and wash it normally in the washing machine. After washing, you'll notice the difference. The towel will be much whiter than before and free from stains and unpleasant odors. Once you see this trick, you'll never buy scented tumble dryer sheets again. But before I show you what I do, there's one thing many people forget about. Always start by cleaning the filter. This is where lint from your clothes, dust, pet hair, human hair, detergent residue, and other small particles left behind after washing collect. Over time, they can build up into a thick layer that restricts airflow and makes the dryer take longer to dry your clothes. Cleaning the filter regularly helps the appliance work more efficiently, reduces energy consumption, and lowers the risk of overheating. First, remove all the lint that has collected in the filter, then rinse it under running water. All you need is a small amount of any cleaning product and an old toothbrush. This is a very important step. It removes built-up residue thoroughly and helps your dryer work even more effectively. Don't forget to clean the filter compartment as well. A lot of dust, dirt, and residue can build up there too. Now it's time for the trick I promised. Take 2 cotton pads. They work perfectly because they are highly absorbent and gradually release the fragrance while the dryer is running. Soak them in a small amount of your favorite fabric softener. Next, place them inside the dryer filter in the area where the lint collects. Close the filter and put it back in its proper place. Run the drying cycle as usual. It's a simple trick that means I no longer need to buy scented dryer sheets. I save money, and my laundry comes out smelling exactly the way I like it. This method costs next to nothing. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions.
Toss a wet wipe into your dark laundry load. This is a handy trick to solve an annoying issue. Most people have no clue about this hack. Turns out, wet baby wipes have more uses than you might think. They come in handy when you're doing dark laundry. All you need to do is throw 2 damp wet wipes into the washing machine drum and set a regular cycle. Often during the laundry process, some lint and stubborn hairs get stuck on certain clothes. They're particularly noticeable on dark fabrics. The wet wipe trick comes to the rescue. Its fabric attracts and captures lint and hairs. Instead of sticking to your clothes, they end up on the wet wipe. After the laundry is done, simply toss the wipes in the trash. Your black clothes will look good as new, and you won't have to deal with those annoying lint particles.